Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create 15 Instagram posts in just one click using ChatGPT. You know, ChatGPT is a number one AI tools right now in the world. So I'm going to ChatGPT, then type give me 15 business info codes. Then go to actually Google Drive, Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel. So I'm use Google Sheet, blank. Then download write 15 is then you need to download file, then go to download, then CSV format because this help to create Instagram post. Then I'm going to Instagram, going to canva.com. You know, Canva is a free video and photo editing software. Type Instagram post.com. So I use a letter. Okay, this is perfect. Then you can choose any photo. This is no matter and no problem. So this one, you need to right click, then in the three. You need to upload here, upload CSV, then upload, put your business name, then type connect data. Then you see the first wait, then continue, select all, generate. Wait few seconds, then you see 50 Instagram post ready for updates. Wow, this is good, very good. So you need to download this on part by part. You need to download two format, JPG and PNG. Then other I prefer a PNG because it's clear to upload. Then best for complex image and illustration. So PNG, then we select one by one, example of one, download, and go to again, then to download. Okay, you see how to create 15 Instagram posts using Canva and ChatGPT. So if you are new viewers in the channel, please subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you.